ultra quiet. You can have this in a bedroom. Oh, there it goes. Hey everyone, I am back with another video, and today it is on the Litter Robot 4 with the litter hopper. So I had to order the litter hopper to complete my Litter Robot 4 experience. This is, you guys know on this channel, this is the best litter box available on the market by far. It is the most expensive, but you get what you pay for. So I wanted to do about a 5-10 minute video. I've had this for, I've had 3 now, well 2 total. One is downstairs and one is here, and then my brother got one. So I wanted to reach out to Litter Robot and do a review on their litter hopper. I'm going to explain that to you right now, and then I'll show you in the app what it does. John, can you say hi? Want more treats? Let's get him some more treats so John can stay by. Got some treats up here, and then I've got my little espresso cup there, which we're going to dump it in here and show you the Litter Robot 4 cycle. Here you go. Pixar. Here you go. There's Pixar, the shy one. Doesn't come by much. Really not supposed to give him treats because, yeah, he loves treats, but then at the same time he'll throw up sometimes. So we've been trying not to give him treats. This guy can eat anything. Oh my gosh. I swear, guys, we feed our cats. There's the feeder. It's electronic. It goes off 3 times a day, and then they've got the automatic water. And I believe we did a review on both of these on Adam's channel, so if you go back and type in pet kit, pet feeder, you should be able to see that video. They come with the mats. The mats might be sold separately. They used to be $50, and I believe they're $35 now, and they're more vertical than horizontal. So they fit the unit much better. As you can see, it tucks in there, up against the unit. If you pull this out, this is the waste drawer. As you guys see, I just cleaned it. I wanted to clean this for the video. I haven't cleaned this thing in a month and a half. And the only thing, it had a little bit of waste inside on the liner. Not much, because this stays really clean. Once a month, you're good. And then every couple weeks, you might want to dust it off, because this is obviously litter. It's rotating. Dust gets on it. But yeah. But this is what I wanted to show you guys. This is the Litter Robot 4 with the litter hopper. There's this hopper that you install. This hopper is $99 on top of it. So if you want to order this, there'll be a link in the description. And you will be ordering the Litter Robot 4, which is $6.99. And then the hopper is an additional $99, which is worth it 100%. If you're going to spend $700 on the greatest litter box on the market by far, the app, electronics, the way it works, if it errs, it knows how to fix itself. They have come a long way on the Litter Robot 4. And if you guys have one, please leave in the comments how great this is, how this has changed your life. If you go to their website and Amazon, the last year and a half, the reviews, you'd hardly see any bad reviews, because they will take care of you if there's a problem. Mass production, you're going to have a problem with electronics sometimes. Excuse me. But they've worked on the software updates. They're kind of like Apple on software updates. When you go into the app now, everything is right there. It tells you what they're going to update, the improvements you're going to see. The app gets updated about once a month on average. So this is the litter hopper. And all it is a little hopper, obviously, and you fill it up with litter. Okay? This mounts to the back of your bonnet. It mounts to the back of this. So if you have an older Litter Robot 4, you can buy this litter hopper for $99. And they will send you this hopper, and they send you a different lid, so it's compatible with your unit. I just bought the entire thing, so it all came with the right lid and all that. So what it does is not only does this measure how much litter is in there and tells you on the app if it gets low, it tells you how much waste is in the drawer by percentage. I think it's in 5% increments. So just before I came in here, mine said 85. So I changed it. I dumped this in there. Okay, dump that in there. And you guys see, just by me putting my hand in here, it turned the light red. So the safety of this unit, the cats go in, it's going to turn red. And then it determines by weight if you left, if the cat left or it's not sensing motion, it turns back blue. Wow, I'm at 6 minutes already. So we're going to cycle this in a couple minutes and let you see that get cleared out. And as that moisture is drawing that litter and then putting it in the waste bin below, the machine knows what the weight was before the cat went in and gone to the bathroom. So if it determines that it's all, I don't know what the actual percentage is, but if it determines that their litter is, you know, there's not as much in there, your cat takes a big old deuce and a lot of that litter gets wrapped around it and then goes in the waste box. That's when the litter hopper is going to turn on when this shifts back in to flatten that litter out, and it's going to add litter back into it and always keep it full. So you can get if you have one cat, you can get 2 to 3 weeks without touching this. You won't have to change the waste drawer. You will not have to add litter, and this will not smell. The odor control on this is the best on the market. There's a couple competitors that are pretty good, but this one, I still believe this is the best, especially for an open unit like this. When this is sitting in this position, the waste drawer is completely sealed off and there's a carbon filter. They say to change it once a month. I really only change it when I remember. So it's wonderful. And you could set this for how many minutes that's going to cycle. I think I have mine at 7, which is their recommendation, is 7. I think you can go as low as 2 and up to 15. But I wouldn't want a cat to go to the bathroom in there. You guys know what I mean. And have it sit there for 15 minutes. So yeah. So this is completely hands-free. I have 2 cats. Where are you guys? No treats, so they're not in here with me. Yeah, so I have 2 cats. And I change the waste drawer, I would say every 6 to 8 days. And then I have a little robot downstairs. I'm going to show you guys in the app. And there's one cat down there, and he's an older cat, so he goes to the bathroom a lot more. And he fills it up in about 6 or 7 days. So yeah. So if you have 1 or 2 cats, this is hands-free for 2 to 3 weeks. You don't even have to touch litter. I've got some right here. I used to scoop this in. I'd say every 3 to 4 days, I put a couple scoops in the bottom of this. But the litter hopper completely takes away that chore. It does it itself. And that litter hopper is going to hold 8 or 9 scoops. It's not huge, but it holds 2 weeks worth. So I just refilled it the other day and I've had it for over a week. And if you made it this far, please hit that. I know if you made it this far, you're supporting the channel. Please give it a thumbs up. Comments are super important. Leave 5 or 10 comments for me. And then consider subscribing to the channel. It's free. And like I said, it's $800. It's worth every penny. This is a 10 out of a 10. It's a fantastic litter box. If you guys are on the fence, leave a comment. We try to answer every comment you leave. So tell me what you think. If you have one, leave a comment. And the litter hopper, if you've got one with that, let everybody know how great this is. The comments help people when they go online to research a product. And you can go to litterrobot.com. Just go to Google and type in Litter Robot 4, and it'll be the first thing that pops up. And they've got different colors. They've got inserts to make it fit your If you have a different color washer, you can kind of change this opening ring to be a different color. You can buy mats for it. You can subscribe to their, they have even a better litter than what I'm using. And I'm just basically using the cheapest Amazon litter I could find. And it works fantastic. So let's go on and cycle this. I'm not going to wait the 7 minutes, and we'll see this clear out of here, and we'll let you go. Right up here, second one cycle. Shows you the direction it's going. Earlier I hit the empty button and it just emptied all this into the waste bin. Yeah, you can see that water is going to get completely covered. And obviously it's going to attach a little bit of litter to it, and it's going to go down into the waste drawer. And then what's so great about the litter hopper is it's going to refill that exact amount of litter that it just took out. This thing stays so clean, everyone. Oh, I missed that spot. Yeah, you can see I didn't clean that side, but this thing stays so clean for at least a month or two. And I just get a little dish rag with Dawn soap, kind of get it all wet in there, and then dry it out with a paper towel. Now you guys are not going to get to see the litter. I don't think it will, but let's see what it does. Because I just reset the weight sensor, whenever you add litter to it or clean it, you want to hit the reset button so it resets the weights, and then it knows when a cat gets in. So it's probably not going to put any litter in it right now. But it just comes out of that back. It has that W on there, whisker, and it stops, and then it turns a little drum, and it puts a little bit of litter in here with that litter that's coming through there. That's been freshly sifted through that screen. Ultra quiet. You can have this in a bedroom. Oh, there it goes. Wow, I did not expect this. That's fantastic. I wanted to catch this on camera for you guys. What a great idea. So they've taken their Litter Robot 4 and they future-proof this. Right up to the line. If this video didn't convince you to buy this, I don't know what would. But thank you so much for coming to the channel. Check out the link in the description and get yourself a Litter Robot 4. You cannot go wrong. Everybody have a great week. Hey everyone, I wanted to include in this video portions of the app. It's only going to be a couple minutes to let you guys see. But as you can see here, the one at 0% is the one that I just reviewed for you all. And it shows, we'll click on it here, it shows 0. It says litter optimal, waste is 0. So obviously you guys know as the cats go to the bathroom, the waste will be 5%, 10%, so on. The next tab down says litter hopper. It says it's ready. If you click on that, you can turn it on and off, and then it shows when it was dispensed. So today it was dispensed at 10:37 while I was showing you guys the video. I don't know what that, oh, it just said, yeah. It's got a little how it works. You can go back. It shows you how many scoops you've saved, like how many times it's cycled. It shows you here on the smart scale the weight of each cat, which I told you that it weighed, but yeah, it puts the cat's name. If you click on that, it shows the cat at the top. Shows the weight, how many times they visit daily, and then you can put in all this different stuff down below. So it is a great app, especially if you're into your cats, your little ones. And let's go over here to John. There's John. 11.1 pounds. He visits a little bit less per day. You go down here to controls. This is where you can put it in sleep mode. The lights turn off. You can turn the light on and off. Which, yeah, this is one of like the only litter boxes that have an actual light. So you can have that. I have them on all the time. I think the cats need a light. That's just me. But if it's in your bedroom, you can turn that light off. Or you can have a sleep mode on from 9 o'clock until 5 in the morning, or 9 to 10 or whatever. And you can have that light off. Down here you can hit manual cycle, and that would turn it on automatically from the app. Cycle delay, you click on that. This is what I was telling you guys. You got 3 minutes, 7 minutes, 15, 25, and 30, and it explains, you know, if you have multiple cats, you probably want to let it sit for 15 minutes. And then you got the little filter replace reminder. I told you you're supposed to change the filter on it monthly, but I never do. And it does not smell bad at all. So you go up here to settings. This is where it talks about the firmware. You can tell it what type of litter you use. If it's on a hardwood, firmware updates, you can click on that. It'll tell you if there's an update available. No current updates because I keep everything up to date. You got your warranty in here, and you can shop. So let's go back. You got your pets. You could set all your pets in here, no matter how many you have. The next one, that all the way to the right, there's shop. So you can go straight to the store. Let's see, it's going to have me manage. There we go. And this is where I was showing you. Well, you guys can go to the website and see. You could hit Litter Robot. Obviously, which one you want. Litter Robot for $6.99, and when you click on that, you can add the hopper. There it is. So you can buy it right from here. And then down below, all these different colors you can add, customize it. Let's see if I click red. Yeah, see the ring changes color to match white. Yeah, so if you want it to match your decor. There's some weird ones in there, but, and then there's your litter hopper for $99, which is, I would definitely recommend. Yeah, so there you guys go. Quick overview of the app. This is the one that's downstairs. You can see it saved 4,597 scoops. This is the old one. This is this one's 3 years old. This was one of the first ones that I've gotten. And I put it downstairs with the older cat because they kind of fight. But yeah, that explains that. So I want you guys to see an overview of the app, and I highly recommend this product. Thank you for watching.